guys ready for some versus world? I'm Almond Moose. I got my start on TikTok as a cosplayer, and eventually, due to chronic pain, I had to find an activity that required a lot less spoons. So I started opening things. I can't get over how heavy this basket is. Alright, today we're opening a Cats versus Pickles Teal Wave. Alrighty, I'm super excited. I can't remember how many of these I've actually opened. I know it hasn't been that many. At least 3 or 4. There's quite a few that I would love to have. Oh, I'm so happy! I can't believe I got this one! You have no idea how excited I am right now. Or maybe you do. This is pineapple upside down cake. Hooray! We have... I'm shaking. I'm so excited right now. Pineapple upside down cat. It was right side up when we left it. Oh, they are so cute. Oh, I love it, all the little cherries. All right, the reason why I'm so happy about this one, it was over a year ago, like two Septembers ago, the Versus World had done a live, and they were showing off products that were coming out in the future, and I saw this one, and I took a screenshot, and I knew once it was released, I had to have it. I love this one. Oh, I'm so happy. Just marked pineapple upside down cat off the list. So I've opened 2 from the back of the list. This is set D. And I've opened 1 from the front, which is set C. They're broken down into sets. There's set A and B and C and D for the Teal Wave. These are 2 I'm also really hoping for. Cerebellum and Cthulhu. And there you have it. Cats versus Pickles Teal Wave. I'm so happy right now. I can't believe I finally got this one. I've been waiting so long. As always, thank you for watching and stay safe. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Bye.